Today, I am going to make the chocolate cloud cake. It has a rich chocolate taste unlike the usual one with the eggy taste. Let's take a look at the ingredients needed. Chocolate powder, 2 teaspoons. Corn flour, 10 grams. Sugar, 30 grams. Egg white, 3.
Separate the egg yolk and the egg white. Beat egg white until soft peak.
Add in sugar.
Beat egg white until soft peak.
Add in corn flour. Add in chocolate powder. Continue to beat until stiff peak.
Pour all the mixture into the baking tray.
Baking time is 30 minutes, temperature is 150 degrees. This is the chocolate cloud bread that I have make. It is very fluffy and light. It has a rich chocolate taste. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next video.